Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can add the Ethereum network on your Phantom wallet. So it's a pretty easy process. Just watch the video all the way through so you understand how to do it. So let's get right in. First and foremost, you probably see my screen right now. You're going to want to go over to the left-hand corner of your Phantom wallet. It should be a little icon here that says A1 or whatever it might be. It could be an emoji. Click it, and when you do, you're going to want to head over to the Settings tab. Click Settings, and then you're going to want to head over to the Active Networks tab and click on it. So when you do, you have the option here to enable Ethereum, Base, Sui, Polygon, and Bitcoin. So if you don't have Ethereum already checked, check it, and when you do, it should now be enabled on your Phantom wallet. So all you got to go ahead and do is just head over down and then click on ETH right here, and here you can receive Ethereum assets for pretty much anything on Ethereum network, and that's pretty much how you do it. It's very easy and it's super simple. So if you did find this video helpful, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Say something like ETH will be revived in late 25 for this bull cycle or something like that. I don't know, but have a nice day, guys. I will see you all for the next video.